that for?
Beautiful people, this is turkey berries. This is how it's being sold in the markets. This is in Ghana City is about 1 city or so. Let's find out. Customer,
Yes.
how much you leave?
1 city.
Okay, they said it's 1 city.
What about 7 city?
1 city.
Hey.
So we'll just get some. Customer, 3 cities.
I'm a good
What one? When?
Okay.
This is turkey berries of 3 cities. Okay.
Oh, I'm okay.
Okay, that's it.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, please help me to subscribe. For returning viewer, please subscribe for help me to share, like, comment, press the notification bell to all. For those who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel and for the nice comments, thank you very much. God bless you. Beautiful people, thank you very much. So in this video we want to prepare our natural blood tonic. This is turkey berry, so we have it in our compound. This is one we bought for our market. This is 1 cedi in Ghana. In Nigeria is 100 naira. Okay, so we want to show you how we prepare it. It's very good for pregnant woman. So thank you, follow us and enjoy this video. We're going to use it. I want to show you how we take our own blood tonic. So this one is okay for us. So I want to wash it. So beautiful people, we are going to use pig milk to prepare this tonic, the blood tonic. So me, you want to take milk? I'll give you. Okay. My baby wants to take milk. Yeah, come back. Come and take milk. Yeah. Mm. So this is my civic clothes that I want to use for the blood tonic. This is drinking water. I'll carry it. So we are done for our blood tonic. So beautiful people, this is nice. This is our natural blood tonic. We take. This is delicious. Manuela, take milk. This is milk. This is turkey berry with pig milk. So we are going to take our natural method. Come and join us.
Beautiful people, thank you for joining us on today's episode. As you could see, okay.
Come and take your own.
As you could see, we are not actually eating today. We are actually taking
Our
we are
natural method.
rejuvenating our blood system. Okay, so we are taking
Milk.
our natural blood
Milk.
tonic. Manuela, this is for
milk.
you.
Milk.
Choose one.
Uh-uh.
Okay, don't worry, I'll take this. So, beautiful people, this is turkey berries, okay, with milk. This is very good for,
Our body.
for our red blood production.
It's not bitter. It's not bitter.
It's not bitter, it's not sweet, it has its own taste.
Mm.
Try it. You are invited.
Manuela.
This is very creamy. Wow.
See?
We decided not to add sugar, okay? You can, if you try yours, you can add sugar if it pleases you. Wow, this is so nice and delicious, so nutritious. Manuela, come and take yours. Is it? Let me show our viewers what we are taking. So viewers, you can see I finished mine, and this is Emanuela's own, and this is Philip's own.
This is nice. It will make you sleep well.
It's very healthy.
Try and get this this turkey berry in your compound. It's very important.
It's very nice. Fortunately, we have birds flying here and there. So the ones we showed in our compound, I didn't plant it. I just saw it growing there. Maybe because of the birds. Sometimes birds, they pick things from one place to another. So we just saw it. We have about 2 in our other side of the garden. So beautiful people, share, like and comment.
Press the notification bell to
all. Manoda, what will you say to viewers? Bye bye. Philip, say bye bye. Mwah.